Hello everyone, welcome to level 2. This is Diala Jauhari again and I'm here to help you learn Arabic. مرحبا جميعا، أهلا وسهلا فيكم بتاني level. اسمي ديالا الجوهري وأنا هون لساعدكم تتعلموا عربي. Guys, in today's lesson 2, we're going to discuss together feminine and masculine nouns. So, let's get started. As we've mentioned before, you guys, nouns in Arabic has a gender. So it's either a feminine noun or a masculine noun. But thanks God, Arabic words give us signs that can help us distinguish whether this noun is a feminine noun or a masculine noun. So let's learn these markers, you guys. Before I start, I want you guys to know that the rules that I'll discuss will be applied to Modern Standard Arabic and to Spoken Arabic. So you have to consider these rules when talking or when writing something. I mean, in Modern Standard or in Spoken Arabic. So first of all, you guys, you have to know that if you see one of the markers that we're going to discuss, the noun is feminine. If these markers are not there, then the noun is masculine by default. So what are these feminine markers? The first most famous one is Ta-Marbuta, which is this thingy, either connected or standing alone. When does it stand alone? Well, check in the fundamental Arabic course. Now this marker indicates that the noun you're dealing with is always a feminine noun. This rule has exceptions in proper nouns. Some proper nouns, though written with Ta-Marbuta, they are considered masculine. And one of these nouns is Hamza. It's known to be ending with Ta-Marbuta, but this noun in fact is a masculine noun. Other than that, every noun that has this thingy, which is called Ta-Marbuta, is considered feminine. So let's take an example. طالبة. طالبة. If you look at the ending of this noun, it is Ta-Marbuta. And that indicates that this noun you're dealing with is a feminine noun. So, طالبة, which is student. Or you can say طالبة. Again, you guys, in Modern Standard Arabic, Ta-Marbuta can be pronounced as tun, ten, tin, if it has a tanween on it, or it is not pronounced. So I can say طالبة or I can say طالبة. Now when it comes to spoken Arabic, usually all words that end with Ta-Marbuta are pronounced as following. The rule says, if you have before Ta-Marbuta any letter other than Ra and Qaf, you have to put kasra on it. But you also have to put on the letter before this letter, before the letter preceding Ta-Marbuta, a sukun. So you have two steps. Kasra before Ta-Marbuta and sukun before the letter that you put kasra on it, unless it's preceded also by sukun. Now the exception is if you have Qaf and Ra, you don't put kasra before Ta-Marbuta. These two letters stays with fatha and no change is done to any of the pronunciation of the letters that come before them. Now just note, you guys, that these rules are general rules. You will find some exceptions in the pronunciation of some words. So, to illustrate this general rule, let's take some examples. طالبة, which means a student. If you want to change it to Lebanese dialect, what you do is that you look before Ta-Marbuta, no Ra, nor Qaf, it's Ba. So you place kasra on it. Always remember that Ta-Marbuta isn't pronounced. But you also have to take into consideration to place a sukun before the letter that you placed kasra on it. Means lam in this case. We put sukun on lam unless it's preceded by sukun. And in our case here, no sukun before lam, thus we say طالبة طالبة. Let's take another example. مدرسة مدرسة, which means a school. Now, if you want to change that to spoken dialect, we look before Ta-Marbuta, we have sin, which is not ra nor qaf. So we place kasra on it. And we have to remember to place sukun on the letter before it, which is in this case ra. But pay attention, you guys. Before ra, there's a letter having sukun on it. So it's favorable not to put sukun after it. So we say madrase. Madrase. Okay, let's take another example. شجرة شجرة, a tree. If you want to change this word to spoken dialect, you look before Ta-Marbuta, you have ra, which is one of the exceptions. So you don't place kasra here, you keep it with fatha, and you don't do any changes before it. Why? Because this is how it goes when we have ra and qaf. And again, you guys, Ta-Marbuta isn't pronounced in spoken dialect. So you say shajara, shajara, shajara. Okay, let's take the final example to master things. If you have the word صديقة, صديقة, which means a friend, and you want to change that to spoken dialect, what you say is صديقة, صديقة. What did I do? I kept qaf with fatha because it's one of the exceptions, and I didn't do any changes before it. Plus, I also didn't pronounce that marbuta, and I changed qaf to a because this is a common way to say qaf in Lebanon. So it's صديقة, صديقة. Now let's go to the second marker. Every body part that comes in pair is considered a feminine noun, though it doesn't end with Ta-Marbuta. Let's take an example to illustrate that. The word yadun. Yadun means a hand. Now this word doesn't end with Ta-Marbuta, but this word means a hand, which is a body part that comes in pair, and thus it's considered feminine, though it doesn't end with Ta-Marbuta. So yadun means a hand. In spoken Arabic it is id. Id. Now let's take another example. Aynun, which means an eye. No Ta-Marbuta, so in the first impression you will think that this word is a masculine word. But you have to remember, you guys, this is a body part that comes in pair, thus it's feminine. So aynun is a feminine noun, and it means an eye. In spoken Arabic, it is the same, ayn. You guys, there are some exceptions as we've discussed before. Some nouns are feminine by meaning, even though they don't follow the usual patterns. These are exceptions that you simply need to memorize. There's no rule, you guys, I'm sorry. So let's take some of these nouns, but you will find the rest in the lesson notes. So the first one is shams, which is a sun. This word is treated as feminine word. Again, it is shams, shams. Nar, which means fire. This word is also treated as a feminine word. So we say هذه نار, not هذا نار, though this word doesn't end with Ta-Marbuta. Again, it is nar, nar, a fire. The third word is ard. Ard means earth or ground. And this word is also treated as a feminine word. So we say هذه أرض or هذه أرض, which means this is an earth or this is a ground. So, last thing, you guys, If you noticed, I used هذا and هذه. And this is the pattern that you have to follow, you guys, to help you know if this word is feminine or masculine. So if you are ever unsure of a word's gender, look it up in a dictionary or search for it used with a demonstrative pronoun. If it's used with هذه, of course, this word is feminine. And if it is used with هذا, of course, this noun is masculine. So let's take some examples. If we look in the dictionary for the word مهندسة, again, مهندسة is engineer. Now, if you're not sure if this word is feminine or masculine, you forgot about the Ta-Marbuta Rule, you look in Google. Ask Google, is it هذا مهندسة or هذه مهندسة? And Google will say it's هذه مهندسة. Why? Because this word is considered feminine in Arabic. So it matches هذه. Let's take another example. مدرسة. مدرسة. It's school. And in Arabic فصحى, it matches هذه. So we say هذه مدرسة. هذه مدرسة. هذه مدرسة. سماء. A sky. It's also considered in Arabic feminine. سماء matches هذه. So we say هذه سماء. هذه سماء. Okay, guys, let's take some masculine nouns. مهندس. مهندس. It matches هذا. So we say هذا مهندس. هذا مهندس. هذا مهندس. This is an engineer. باب. باب, which means a door. It matches هذا. So we say هذا باب. هذا باب. هذا باب. Last one. مفتاح. مفتاح, which means a key. It matches هذا. So we say هذا مفتاح. هذا مفتاح. هذا مفتاح. Okay, guys, note that you will find attached in the descriptions below a PDF that consists of 100 feminine and masculine nouns that I've already picked for you guys and classified them. These are the most common used words in Arabic, and again, you can use the internet to search for more. So check it out in the description below, you guys. Okay, so this is everything for this lesson, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's the first lesson in the new level, and I'll see you in the next video. But before I do that, please, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the bell to stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and follow me on Spotify, Arabic Sahel community. Guys, don't forget to join our community on Telegram, which link you will find in the description below. And feel free to book your private tutoring session with me in the Arabic Sahel Tutor Hub. The link of everything is in the description below. I'm so excited to this level. I'll see you guys in the next video. وداعاً. Arabic Sahel.